All right. I got my man's here. Broke him down. So I'm about to convert this over to a push button start. I'm trying to see if this has. I think it did. If we convert it over to a push button start and get this thing going. Man, if you got a Hyundai or a Kia, man, and it's a key start, man, y'all need to put something on these things, man, because they, hopefully this ain't the one with the chip in it, because if it is, I'm not going to be able to do it, but we'll see. The next video will be I actually got it done, or it didn't work out because it had a chip in the key. Anyway, get into it. All right, so Easy Guard EC002. All right. It was a video that started out showing that this car was broken into or whatever, and the push button start is in. So I can pretty much make this a how-to video because pretty much simple. We're not doing any alarms or anything with it. So if you get the Easy Guard, all right, the EC002, this is exactly what it's going to look like. This is the harness. So if you got a Hyundai Elantra, this is a 2020. So from 2016 to 2020, this is pretty much all you got to do. So you literally can take what I have here, and I'm going to do it slow. White to yellow, orange to blue, yellow to white, and then red to green. Then you got the orange, which is your brake input. It's gonna go to the brake switch there, and it's a blue and orange. Of course, this is already busted up, just taken out. So in order to get the cylinder out, you would turn it, and then there's like I wish this broke up. There's a needle bulb. There's like a hole in the bottom. Turn the key, push it in, and it'll come out. Or if you want to do it the easy way, if you got another key to the car, what you can do is you can actually take the key that you have, cut the blade, just cut the head off, leave the blade, put it in the ignition, turn it forward, and make sure that your ignition harness is unplugged from where this was at. Your ignition harness from the socket here, and then that's it. So this is a fairly easy one, real easy. Your purple and black will go to this ground harness that's in the ODB2. You can ground it here. This is the same ground that's going throughout the car, so that's how I do it. So, but I will list these wires from the push start to this harness, and then the ground where it goes into the ODB. And then I'll also describe the key part. And then that's pretty much it on these. So you want to convert it to a push button start on the Hyundais, that's it. So from 16 to 20, this is what you would do on these.